In this quick tutorial, we'll create a toggle switch using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We'll apply class toggling to change its state between on and off. It's an essential UI pattern seen in forms and settings. Let's get hands-on and see how it's done. Our goal is to toggle a visual switch that responds to user interaction. When clicked, the background color and knob position update. This requires only a single class toggle to swap states. Let's now see the JavaScript and CSS that makes this work. The toggle switch is a simple div with the class toggle. We use query selected to target it. Then listen for clicks. On each click, we use class list toggle on to switch between on and off. Now, let's go deeper into how the CSS controls the animation. The secret is the on class. It changes background color and moves the knob between CSS transform. The transition properties make the state changes feel animated. It is clean, effective, and easy to reuse anywhere. This table summarizes how the class affects styling. Off is the default, and on adds green background and shifts the knob. Just one class toggle manages the entire interaction. And let's now look at where this is used in real-world apps. Toggle switches are everywhere, from mobile apps to web dashboards. They are ideal for binary choices like on, off, enable, disable. Understanding this pattern helps you design better UI components. Let's finish with a quick recap of what we've built. With just a few lines of JavaScript and CSS, we've built a clean toggle switch. It is lightweight and can be reused across your projects. Keep practicing these UI patterns. They are essential for front-end work. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.